Hi, I'm Mark our Guitar Wolf, and this is Green Hell. And welcome back. So today's agenda is to keep establishing this base a little bit, so we don't have to worry too much about a whole lot. Uh, I also had to heal up a little bit because I was a little low off camera, but only for like 5 minutes. But we are good. Um, yeah. So let's strap on our pants or whatever you wear and turn off our phones. That's me, and start doing our best. Because doing our best is what matters. So if you'll excuse me, I need to turn off my phone real quick, because I am an idiot. Ugh. Okay, I am back. The phone was right behind me. Ooh, I wonder if I can get one of these. Probably not, because of my horrible aiming lately. Yeah. Oh, I got it. Whew. Okay. Okay. Alright. Uh, thank you for your meat. You won't be wasted, and I hope you died in peace. Uh, yeah, those will be drying here pretty quick, so we'll swap them out. I don't know how many meats I get from a capybara. Oh my gosh, I get 4. Alright, so I don't have to hunt anymore. But I do have to find a coconut. Oh, did I see a cat? Every time. Somebody has to log on when I'm playing a game. Anyways. I guess they just want to make a cameo or something. They know I'm playing a game. Oh, did you see that guy? I hope he didn't see me. Are you just gonna walk away? I am not equipped to fight you right now. Well, I am, but I don't want to fight you right now. Where did you go? I'm staying in the brush. Where did he go? Usually I can hear it singing, but I guess he ran away. Oink. Is that a snake? Oh no, those are bones. Alright, let's see if we can find some coconut. Because, I'm in desperate need of at least 3 coconuts. Look at these, we're finding these everywhere. Might as well eat these, because they gave me carbs. Eat. And hydrate me, so that's good. Oh, fuck. I ate when I was dirty. Luckily, I didn't get sick. There's a coconut right here. Not today. There's a snake here today. Alright, let's go down here. Man, I have to carry a coconut pretty far if it's way over here. Also, I should be aware of my surroundings, because like we saw, there was a dude just kind of migrating everywhere. I'm not even watching my rear end. Alright. Let's be more vigilant. Okay. Keep an eye out. Let me know if you see a coconut. Just scream at the screen or something. Because I know there's something here. Around. Do I need rope still? I sure does. Go ahead and take it. Now I'm full. That really put me over the top? Okay, now it's gonna rain. Ah, well, I might as well harvest this now. Oh, I can't. Well, then, these went. It's amazing how fast things just rot. harvest. Well, at least it's raining, so I'm taking kind of a shower. So that'll wash my dirtiness away, so that's good. I guess destroying those things actually help my weight. What is my weight at? 49. Okay. I got too many bones, so I might as well just destroy, I guess. Or destroy stack. Confirm. You. Oh, what'd I do? Oh. Destroy stack. Confirm. There. That'll help a lot. I don't think I need a bird. I really need a coconut. That's what I want. That's what I want. Oh, you know. Oh! I got a fever, and I am... What hit me? Oh! I wasn't even close to that damn snake. Well... Venom wound. Was there another damn snake right next to that snake? Well, I gotta... Alright, let's just assess the situation on this friggin' log. So nothing else can run after me. It'll just... hopefully just stay at bay. It'll be like, I can't run on a log like you, human. Alright, let's look at our limbs. I'm supposed to be making armor too, so that's not happening yet. Where did it bite me? Look at the... How do I... There we go. Alright, there it is. So, I think I use one of these first. Fishbone. I think. No? Nope. Guess not. I'm gonna have to hurry. See, tobacco dressing, maybe? Yep. Ugh. Okay. I'm not losing health now. That's good. You might as well get back home. Snake. You stay there. Alright. Shit. So I guess let's go ahead and just go back home real quick. Starting off bad. Bad start. Already got bit by a damn snake. I saw a tribe member. I don't know where he went. But on the plus side, there's at least a lot of food here. Maybe it's blue mushrooms so I can get some more carbs back. Maybe a Brazilian nut. Come on. Let me get a mushroom. Mushroom. Thank you. Expand. Eat. Why don't you make me sick? And also... Oh. I heard something in my left ear. It was just damn pigs. Okay, let's just get some energy. Also probably pick this so I can take my fever away. Oh my. Oh, I got too many things on my backpack. Do I have any? I do. So I'll go ahead and make some soup. I also have to make a fire. And I also need some coconut to do that. So many things we need. So freaking little time to do it. Any nuts? Oink, oink, oink. Oh, there's a nut. Gimme! I could use a drink too. But not your kind. I want a beer. Bam, take that. It usually drop as 3s, but lately it's only been 2s. Oh, there's the 3rd one. I knew it! Alright, let's get back to base. Let's not run into any dudes right now because I don't want to. Man, I just saw him like barely at the corner of my eye. Huh. Alright. What do I need? Water. Clean water. Drink. And drink. That's a little bit of water. If I found a coconut, that would help a whole lot. Is there any there's one right there. Would you fall from this tree? Yes. Thank you, universe. Hiya! 1, 2. Where's my spear? There it is. Gimme. And then go ahead and get this one down. Oh shit, you're tired. Where's my spear? Where's my spear? Don't tell me. Oh, there it is. Is that it? No. Where the hell did it go? I don't have time. There it is. Is it? Move. Yes. You go over here. Yeah, I need to, break this. Expand. Drink. And take you. I'll put you with the rest of the stuff. Or maybe I'll just put you right here. Be the coconut spot. Well, on the plus side, if we rest, it'll take away our fever and we should be okay. We'll just maybe be thirsty. There you go. And yeah, we're doing bad. Might as well. Let's get the water. So we don't die of dehydration in our sleep. And let's rest. Because our fever is slowing us down. Whoa. Alright, should be good. Probably still need water. We need some carbs. I'm going to crack one of those coconuts in half and eat some of them for the carbs. But in the meantime, get these for now and give us mini carbs. There we go. I don't know why I'm losing health by eating. Probably because I'm thirsty and mushrooms dehydrate me, I guess. Just get some more water. And I'll put the other 2 bowls out to catch more water. See if I can just expand and harvest. No, not destroy. Cool. Do the same thing to you. Man, I like the way the ground looks when it's wet. It's like that dark silhouette, I guess, or dark tint. I don't know what the word is. Oh, I have another one. So let's go ahead and harvest this. Right? Yeah. And then this one, the other one I'm gonna make into another water bidon. So I have 2. I guess I can save those. Maybe I can make some coconut soup. Just don't need to cook those eggs before they get bad. Alright, so I got 4 bowls now. Walking slow. Man. There's the iguana over there. No whammies, people. That meat should be dry, and I should put this other new meat that I have up before it expires. Huh. Well, I'm not doing bad on food, so that's good. It's just the water situation is kind of rough. Oh my gosh. Alright. Go to the meat section. Put that on there. Take this and probably eat it. Thank you. Put another one on there. Then take you and eat it. Oh yeah, that's helping a lot. Oh my gosh, that stupid capybara scared me. Yeah, go ahead and eat this one too. And that's my last piece of meat. Ugh. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Go ahead and eat this, I guess. This one. It'll give me some carbs. Wonder what the hell made me... Well, what ate me? Took a bite out of me. Questions for later. Alright, let's go ahead and make this a water Biden. Put that there. Where's the rope? Eureka. Bam. Alright. So now if we catch water, it'll go up by 10, and each water Biden, at least the coconut one, can hold 40. I guess 40 water. And yeah, so I can fill up at least one water Biden and use the other one to make stuff. So I still need water, so that's not good. It needs to rain, and once I get the rain coming, we'll go to that drug area, and I think that's where the actual big ass water filtration thing is. There's the rain. Let's go ahead and get some water, let it rain for a little while. Wish I could tell how much water is in there, but just be patient. Yeah, it's just the water I need. Water crisis today. A lot of saying the word water. I thought that was a doorway. Excuse me. It is not. I might as well get some more rope. Gimme, gimme. And I'm gonna drop off these other two items, cup items, I guess. 'Cause I don't really need them yet. These would be my cooking bowls, but I don't have anything to have that established yet. I need to make a outside cooking place. I don't think I can do it here. I don't think. Oh, notebook. Mud? Oop, mud. There you go. Scooch on over. Yeah, I cannot. Okay. Can I put this here? Nope. No. No. It says, hell no. I know you're thirsty. Trying to help you. Also, I probably need to build a wall anyway. Okay. Just drink all this water. So we should be okay. Yeah. Alright. Go ahead and try making this trip. How heavy am I? 36 pounds? That's not bad. It's just a good thing we got prepared. Those freaking bandages saved our life. So I more or less know my way around this area, because this is where I spent most of my time in the game, is around here. It's pretty cool. Well, I'm actually happy that I'm actually in this area, because now I have a dryer. And when I get back home, we'll always have food. Oh, watch. It's gonna have no water. I'm trying to show you guys that some areas of this place just fill up with water. Alright, remember this little cave thing? This is where we come through. In the actual main story, he's just like tripping balls. And he just runs through there. Maybe I'll do a storyline run one of these days. That way you guys know what I'm talking about. Don't think I'm crazy. Boom. So it's probably gonna make me thirsty though. Well, I'm all carved up. That's good. But on my playthrough of the story mode, I chopped down all these trees. There's like no trees here. And I put a base right here somewhere. It's really not that far, but that's what I did. Alright, so I think we just go ahead and stay along the water. Pretty sure. And then, yeah. Got some howling winds of our own over here in our town. In real life, that's what I'm saying. Alright. See if we can do this. What the hell is that? Is that sap? Resin? Wonder what I need resin for. Maybe it'll give me an... No, it won't. That's a snake. I don't need another snake bite. Okay, so we keep going this way. We actually got to stay in the water now because this is the only way I know how to get there without getting lost. We might get a leech or two, but that's okay. Worth the risk. I didn't think it was this far. Should turn into mud pretty quick. I think right there should be our ticket out of here. A neat little waterfall. Alright. Oh my gosh. Okay. Woo. Just gotta not do that. I don't think it's over there. I think it's this way. Thinking and knowing are two different things, though. You stupid. Oh, there it is. Cool. I wasn't insane. That's good. All these junk barrels and litter bugs. But here it is. This is the drug camp. Bam. It's amazing how much better this playthrough is than my last. A microwave. Use? Huh. What else is here? There's supposed to be a machete. What does that say? First aid box? Ooh, pain pill. Gimme, gimme. That'll help with the next headache I get. Got some piss buckets, I guess. A bag of beef jerky, I'll take that. I got some jerky at home. Ah, fuck you, can. You're not even helpful. Some more cans. There's supposed to be a machete right here. Screw it. Get 'em. Zipper bag. Snacks. 2 snacks. Where's that can go? Did you... Oh, okay. Thought you really fucked off because I said that. Alright. Where's that water thing? What did I find? There it is. Water collector. Where is it though? Do I not see it? Oh, it's bamboo. It's supposed to be a mud one. Oh, this thing. Okay. That's nice too. There it is. Mud water filter. That's what I'm looking for. Might as well get the charcoal. Oh, I learned grill rack? I didn't know I could do that. I have to make it out of metal, I bet. Empty can. Wooden spoon. Pot of water, clean. Give me. Can I take the pot? Oh ho ho ho! That's gonna be a game changer. Can I save in here? I cannot. Well, let's take a little bit more of a look here and then we'll head back home. But it wasn't a bust. Now I can take this actual mud filter, water filter thing and Use it at my main base that I have over at the fishing hole. Huh. I guess there's no machete. There's supposed to be a machete here, but whatever. Do I have rock? Oop. Yes, I do. Cool. But no machete, that sucks. Sucks. Oh well. But I did get what I needed, so that's better. Let's go ahead and head back to base. Oh, what's this? Better not be a can. Oh, stone. Alright. I still can't see. Let's find that little waterfall and just follow that river again. Wherever it was. I think it was over here. I hope it was over here. There's a bunch of those, because I think I saw this side first. Let's go ahead, just start heading this way. Is that the river? It looks like it. There's also a snake. 2 snake bites in one day? I don't think so. Yeah, that's the water. Cool. Right on. Good day. Started off bad though. What the hell am I hearing? Okay. Hopefully I'm just hearing things because I don't need a cat to attack me right now. Oh, that was thunder. That makes sense. Alright. So now we know where our surroundings are. I haven't even began to use my freaking GPX watch pretty much. So that's kind of good. Relying on my survival instinct. Oops. All that freaking good talking. I can't even jump over a log. But anyways, we're learning our surroundings. Learning what we can and can't do. And getting stuff that we can and get better with. Right here there should be a tribe member, but I'm glad there's not. Also, I was hoping I'd find the grappling hook over there too. I need to see where that is. Okay, hopefully this doesn't hurt. I'm gonna jump down. Okay. Cool. Stay along the river. Yep, we're almost home. I probably can't go through that crevice. Even though in real life I'd squeeze my stomach in and see if I can make... Ooh. I hear something. I don't know what that sound was. I never heard that sound before. I wonder if it's on certain days. You go to the airport station that you find here, and it'll pick you up when you decide to, like, you're done surviving out here. Because that'd be cool. It's like, alright, just pick me up, and then it'll be a successful survival day. Or just survival series, because we got picked up. So yeah, let's go back to base. We're almost there. But yeah, I think that'd be a cool aspect of this game, is they added it. Because I think I heard a plane. I think. Now we know how to make the bigger water filter. Any maggots? Nope. So we gotta go check our fishing traps and everything too. Cool. Look at all this banana leaf trees with no bananas. Cool, we made it. Successful scavenging day. So we know how to make this. And show you what I mean. Oh, maybe not. As far as this. Oh, I guess it's in water. Bam, 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 bam. This thing right here is a lifesaver. It holds a shitload of water. So yeah, successful day. Like, subscribe, comment if you like this episode. Yeah, thank you for joining me. It's time to end this episode. Mike, our Guitar Wolf, and this is Green Hell.